So Solekai has a proud history of great project management. This history goes back to 35 years in this business. This goes back to the old company, Dr. Design, which was started in 1984. And about a third of our people here at Solekai have a pedigree back to the old company, Dr. Design. Our greatest asset here at Solekai is the people that manage our projects. These are the people that work with our customers on a daily basis. These are the people that keep our projects on target, on track, on budget, and on schedule. The most important piece of every project is that customer interface. It's the relationship that develops between the service provider, in our case Solekai, and the customer or the client. There's a one-on-one relationship that develops between the project manager on our side and the customer. And we have a long history of delivering on-time service and on-budget results. And what that has resulted in is a customer relationship where 95% of our customers come back from year to year for additional projects. Many of our customers wonder, why does it make sense to do this sort of work in the United States? There are cheaper resources available in the Far East, in India, in China, many other countries. The challenge that I usually point out is that the successful management of a high-tech project or product development these days, it's a challenge even if it's done under your own roof. 90% or in some cases 95% of projects are done late. They're done over budget, they're done over schedule, and the challenge is many of our clients have had challenges getting them done even in their own building on schedule with their own people, their own resources, their own trusted teams. And the challenge is when you add to that continents, time changes, language difficulties, it only gets harder. The real magic of making it happen on time and on budget, it's not about where the resources are or how much they cost. It's about world-class project management. And if the team works from the beginning of the project towards integrating world-class project management in every aspect of how it sees the project, how it pursues the project, and that discipline goes down to every member of the team, then projects can get done on time and on schedule, or on schedule and on budget. So it's been our experience with our large customers and on our large projects that it's more important to these customers that they be on time and get their products to market to the important trade shows, get these projects out the door on the schedules that they were originally intended on. That's been more important than saving that last 20% on the budget. Solekai's capabilities and background spans the entire gamut of high-tech development, product development, IT services, software development. It started in hardware development, very quickly progressed to software development. Today the firm is probably 90% software development, and about 70% of this is in the video services area. A lot of our customers are building set-top boxes or other complex video delivery systems for satellite delivery, for cable boxes, for video deployment for things like tablets or cell phones. Some of our customers today are in the smart grid space, so we've developed a particular capability with many of our customers in the deployment of the specialty networks that exist between the utility meter in the field and the utility systems, the back-end utility systems that take the data from the meters. So that whole smart grid space has been a huge growth capability for us. We still have a huge capability and a specialty in the whole embedded system space, the Linux space, everything from the drivers, the BSP packages, all the way up through the customer's applications, the middleware, the final user interfaces, and the communications portals and the connections to the back-end services. So we are kind of a soup to nuts solution. Solekai can do it all, whether it's hardware and chips all the way up to software solutions, web services, internet products. If it's technology, if it moves electrons, we can do it here at Solekai. Solekai and the people here at Solekai have been in on the set-top box business pretty much from day one. The team here has worked on the hardware platforms and the semiconductor platforms that are part of the satellite business and the cable business for close to 20 years now. Some of the original MPEG-1 and MPEG-2 platforms and systems, the original silicon in those systems. This goes back to the original SGS Thompson, now ST systems, the Intel systems, Broadcom systems. There have been 3 or 4 platforms and families that are no longer in the marketplace that we became experts on. There are 3 or 4 other platforms that we're expert on, but we can't disclose publicly, but are important platforms in the marketplace today. So just about anything that is a consumer product that plays video, we have touched, and our software and our services are actually a key component today to about 50 million products that are actually out there in consumers' hands.